Hello friends, this is Das Spoken English channel. Today we are going to practice 60 daily use spoken English sentences and this is shadowing practice. So listen carefully and repeat with me. Let's start. I am learning right now. I am learning right now. Give me some more time. Give me some more time. I am improving my English. I am improving my English. I am feeling confident today. I am feeling confident today. I need practice. I need practice. I learn from mistakes. I learn from mistakes. You can guide me. You can guide me. I do daily speaking practice. I do daily practice. I can understand English. I can understand English. I am improving step by step. I am improving step by step. I used to feel afraid to speak. I used to feel afraid to speak. Now I am speaking confidently. Now I am speaking confidently. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. I should know how to speak English. I should know how to speak English. I will not stop practicing. I will not stop practicing. I can see my progress. I can see my progress. I speak new sentences every day. I speak new sentences every day. I like speaking English. I like speaking English. I am close to my goal. I am close to my goal. I will speak English fluently. I will speak English fluently. I am managing my time. I am managing my time. I need to focus on this. I need to focus on this. I am improving my skills. I am improving my skills. I am feeling productive today. I am feeling productive today. I want to learn from my mistakes. I want to learn from my mistakes. I am following my routine. I am following my routine. I need consistency. I need consistency. I am getting a little better every day. I am getting a little better every day. I remember my goal. I remember my goal. I am avoiding distractions. I am avoiding distractions. I need to work on my speaking. I need to work on my speaking. I am coming out of my comfort zone. I am coming out of my comfort zone. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I can handle pressure. I can handle pressure. I am increasing my speed gradually. I am increasing my speed gradually. I am getting clarity. I am getting clarity. I am improving my pronunciation. I am improving my pronunciation. I think I am on the right path. I think I am on the right path. I try to speak English every day. I try to speak English every day. I will speak English confidently and naturally. I will speak English confidently and naturally. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I will be a bit busy today. I will be a bit busy today. I am trying to give my best. I am trying to give my best. I want to understand this topic clearly. I want to understand this topic clearly. I am learning from my mistakes. I am learning from my mistakes. I need to improve my listening. I need to improve my listening. I am feeling confident today. I am feeling confident today. I need some time for practice. I need some time for practice. I stay calm even under pressure. I stay calm even under pressure. I want to learn new words daily. I want to learn new words daily. I want to make my English natural. I want to make my English natural. I want to speak clearly, not slowly. I want to speak clearly, not slowly. I do regular revision. I do regular revision. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy speaking English. I am controlling my hesitation. I am controlling my hesitation. I want to speak English in public. I want to speak English in public. I am facing my fear. I am facing my fear. I want fluency step by step. I want fluency step by step. I am noticing my progress. I am noticing my progress. I can speak English confidently. I can speak English confidently. So, dear friends, if you want to watch similar sentences every day, so please follow the subscribe channel and thanks for watching till the end.